Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your headphones is shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open JBL Headphones application. Your headphones should be connected with the app, and then the application opened for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. Then you need to scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find support line. Tap at this line, and right here we have software version line. This one is your current software version. You need to tap at the software line. If nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version, if you enter to another window, you can update your software version by click download at the bottom. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, firstly we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold power button at your right ear cup. And now your headphones disconnected from the phone. Press and hold power button again to turn on your headphones. And your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your headphones at the device list, but for the normal headphones, not for LE. LE it's only for the application. Okay, next, if the software set didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold simultaneously volume control button. So at the right ear cup again, we have a plus and minus button. You need to press and hold it simultaneously until your headphones turn off. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers. These headphones turn on. Now it's turn on. And enter to pairing mode, so we should reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device button or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, and forget device. Let's do the same for LE. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. And we did it. Reconnect them. Now let's reconnect it to the app. So go to the JBL Headphones application and now click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.